It is that time again. Yep, the B-roll Smackdown for November. This is going to be an incredible competition in Bracket 2. We have two veterans of the B-roll Smackdown. Jay Littman against Chandra Pivo. Yep, it is a rematch of the finals from the September B-roll Smackdown. I'm super pumped about this. It was neck and neck the first time around. I can't imagine this is going to be any different. Let's get right to it. Wow, just wow. Some awesome B-roll this month. I cannot believe it. Now the category is totally open, so you can vote for whichever one you decide is the best B-roll. It's really easy to vote. All you do is in the top right-hand corner of your screen right now, you will see a circle with a little I in it. And I don't mean I mean the letter I. Click on that, it will drop down a menu with the two competitors in this bracket. Just make sure that you select one or the other and you're done. Make sure you vote in both brackets, and do me a big favor, guys. Make sure that you check the links in the description. If you don't know these creators, hop on over to their channel, get to know them a little bit more. It's awesome that they decided to compete in this month's B-roll Smackdown. We have two prizes. We have an awesome prize donated by Needs More Subs, 3 original songs for your channel if you are the winner of the finals. And of course, BK42 has generously offered to donate a channel makeover to the winner. This includes a new banner, new thumbnail overlays for your channel. He's an amazing artist. You're gonna love it. So good luck to the contestants. Do me a favor, everybody, and go out there, find your adventure. Have a great day, and I will see you soon.